Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to outline your fictional story using a plot map made from a paper bag. How to create a plot map from a paper bag. Step 1. Cut the bag up one side and cut out the bottom to form a vertical scroll. Step 2. With a Sharpie marker, divide the map into chapters, about 10 for a novella and 20 for a novel, even if you don't use them all. Have them all about 5 inches apart. Step 3. We're going to use sticky notes for each scene idea. Here's my opening. I might write an idea here for my opening scene. And I may not know exactly where they belong yet, but chapter 2, I might have an idea for intro for cute meet between the romantic couple. And chapter 3, I might have a inciting incident that changes everything for my main character. And if you have your ideas for your story, just place them where you think they might belong on the board. Feel free to put sticky notes all over the place with your ideas and just stick them on like this. Just coat your board and then look at the ideas, see which ones go together and see if you can clump them into scenes or chapters. And you can rearrange them any way you want. That's what's so great about sticky notes. And once you have an idea that you really want to keep, I would suggest adding a little bit of tape to the top of a sticky note so it stays on, because the glue on the back of the sticky note, it often comes unglued and then they all fall off, and then that wouldn't be great for your story. So you want to make sure they stay on. So if you have a solid idea, tape them on. Then take some index cards and write a chapter summary for each section of your novel. This is chapter 1. Write your scene summary off of all your ideas. Chapter 2, chapter 3. Or just place them beginning of the story, middle of the story, and the end of the story. It doesn't have to be exact. Do it any way you want. Okay, and then if you really want to go further than that, you can have your chapter summary and tape that under chapter 1. And then off to the side here, you might go scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and 4, and tape them onto your plot map as well. So now you have your chapter summary and you have your scenes taped over here. Here's a fun idea. Gather some writer friends together for the whole day and help each other put together a plot map with the bare bones of each person's story ideas. Afterward, you can keep each other accountable on the actual writing process. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment below, we would love to hear from you. And if you like the content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on future videos. For additional help developing your story idea, we invite you to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet.